Bell Canada Mobile Operator Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Bell's plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight to it. Bell Canada is one of the top mobile operators in the country, offering a wide range of services for both individuals and businesses. With its extensive 4G LTE and expanding 5G network, Bell provides reliable coverage across urban, suburban, and rural areas. Whether you're looking for a simple prepaid plan, a family plan, or a robust postpaid option, Bell offers flexibility with multiple data and voice packages, along with international roaming services for those who travel frequently. The company is also known for its high-speed internet services and home entertainment bundles, which can be combined with mobile plans for added convenience. Now, let's discuss its strengths. Bell offers one of the most expansive and reliable networks in Canada, with excellent coverage in both major cities and more remote areas. Its 4G LTE network is fast, and with its ongoing 5G rollout, users can expect even faster speeds and more reliable connectivity for everything from streaming to gaming. Bell's mobile plans cater to a wide range of needs, including affordable prepaid options, flexible postpaid plans, and data packages for heavy users. Their family plans and shareable data options also provide great value for households. Additionally, Bell's customer service is well regarded, with responsive support available through various channels, including in-store assistance and their mobile app. The company also offers robust business services, including IoT solutions, cloud-based services, and enterprise-level communication tools. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Bell's plans are generally more expensive compared to competitors like Fido and Freedom Mobile, which may make it less appealing for budget-conscious users. Some customers have reported that promotional offers are not as frequent or as competitive as those from other major carriers, which could make Bell feel like a pricier choice. Additionally, while coverage is excellent in most areas, some rural customers have noted that Bell's service can sometimes be spotty in very remote locations. So, is Bell the right choice for you? If you prioritize fast speeds, reliable coverage, and comprehensive service bundles, Bell is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for more affordable options, you may find better deals with other carriers. Check the links in the description for Bell's latest offers. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert telecom insights.